welcome back to the tutorial for deep learning, and we are going to just know about UNIV, that is object detection with the help of UNIV, where you can identify the eye and mouth of a given image. If the human image is there, the UNIV will helpful to identify the eye mouth with boundary boxes. So since already we discussed about UNIV V5, V8 and so on. So before going that, we have to know about something about UNIV. UNIV is one of the successful object detection method which developed by Ultratics and follows and developed the concept were derived from the model of YOLO V3 only. There will be some difference compared to YOLO V3 and V5, and why we need YOLO V5, because it's very comfortable, easy to use, and provide good accuracy results, and we can work and enhance the YOLO V5 with transfer learning and so on. So there will be a number of things and go for YOLO V5, even architecture also good too. So here what we are going to do means, in the Go app we are going to run the code, or you can say run the project with the help of the function called, with the help of the line called, code called hash get http hash followed by dropbox.com followed by YOLO images, because these are the database already is there. From there we can track for our convenience only. So, and we can unzip with the help of YOLO images I underscore mouth thread ZIP zip. So once you unzip and execute, it will show the results like this. So simple and easy only. So we are going to find the or determine the eye and mouth of a given sample images. Here what you can do means, after this one it will show some information. Then we are going to import the CV2 and matplotlib also. Here we are going to read the sample image called name called FM000 and so underscore 1.jpg. And how do you display? So if you want to display the image, you can use the function called plot.figure of and CVT color to BGB to RGB. That means whatever the image, it will convert from the BGR to RGB, and plot dot so for display the image. So once given that it display the image, so as you can see here, so this sample image just showing the image only. Then what you can do, you can download and get the another file with the hash wget, that is the file name called bodybox.csv. So after this one, it displays some information, and so then we can get the help of pandas. So boundary box is there, then pandas as PD. So this is PD, that means with the help of pandas you can display some information for convenience. So if you give this, it will give the attributes of file x1, x2, y1, y2 values and so on based on the image coordinate values. This for understanding purpose only. Then we can call the file called directory files, where we can give the image underscore path followed by image underscore extension, and we can apply the filter also. So after that we can execute very easily. That means you can implement the code, and with the help of this Python code we can get the results. That means given the image, we will mark with the boundary boxes. So that is the one we are going to get. So we are going to give the line, write the coding, that is these called the directory files of images and .jpg. So whatever the image, it will go and display with the information. Then we are followed the images class, that f name, and again we are going to use the ImShow. Then we are going to convert the image into RGB background. That means from the BGR to RGB, red, green, blue background, and we are going to check the length, and we can give the range. Very simple and easy. Then so once given that, and run the coding. So this is the one. So here. So once you run the code, it will give the information, that means display the image with the boundary boxes. So this is the one. So yeah, that is the motto of YOLO V5 is identify the eye and mouth only. So with the help of this one, exactly find out, determine the eye, where is the eye located in the human face, and mouth also. Then if you want, you can extend the code TQTM. These are upcoming session. We can, if you have doubt, you can command. Then we can copy the directories and files, relevant files, and mention the class name, and go for train the data with the OAML concept. And at last, if you want, you can go for extension, test weight, path weight, and so on and so on, and display the image, test image, where you can give the training, testing, and validating. So everything possible. So I hope that today understand how we can utilize the YOLO U5 for successfully perform the object direction. That means how we can identify the face, that means human face, that is identify the eye and mouth. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.